Want your Facebook Reels to stand out instantly? The secret isn't just trending audio. It's high-quality effects, plus perfect resolution, plus strong hashtags. Today I'll show you how to combine trending audio, 8K effects, powerful titles and hashtags to make your Reels attract massive views and go viral. Hey everyone, welcome back to PreyoPhonie, where we turn creators into algorithm-smart growth machines. I've tested hundreds of Reel strategies, and I can confidently say, trending audio plus high-res effects, plus CTR-focused captions, maximum reach. Step-by-step method. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open your Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in. Step 2. Open your profile. Tap the three-dot menu icon. Then tap your profile name to open your profile page. Step 3. Go to Reels section. Scroll down on your profile. Tap Reels. Here you'll see all your uploaded or draft Reels. Step 4. Select your video. Choose the video you want to enhance with effects and trending audio. Tap on it. Step 5. Add effects. Tap Effects. Now browse the available effects. For best quality, I recommend 8K effect. Why 8K effect? Ultra high resolution, sharp visuals, attractive and professional appearance, higher audience retention. Select the effect and tap Next. Before we start, if you want more Facebook Reels growth hacks, viral content strategies, and engagement tips, subscribe to PreyoPhonie and never miss an algorithm-winning strategy. Step 6. Add captions, titles, and hashtags. Now tap text. Write an attention-grabbing title or line like, "Wait till the end, you won't believe this trick." This Facebook Reels hack will blow your mind. Also, add best CTR keywords and trending hashtags. Facebook Reels, trending audio, viral Reels, 8K effect, Reels growth, Reels hack, social media tips, creator tips. This increases discoverability and boosts reach. Step 7. Share your Reel. Once everything is set, tap Share now. Boom. Your Reel is live with trending audio plus 8K effects, plus optimized captions and hashtags. Watch your views climb. Pro creator tips. Keep Reels under 30 seconds for maximum retention. Sync text with video actions. Use trending hashtags relevant to your niche. Post consistently. Algorithm favors activity. Now you know how to use trending audio. Add 8K high-resolution effects. Write viral captions and hashtags. Boost your Facebook Reels views. Remember, content attracts. Strategy retains. If this tutorial helped you, like, share, subscribe to PreyoPhonie, because here, we don't guess, we grow smart. See you in the next powerful tech video.